Here I have an Xtremtec 2.4G and Bluetooth wireless backlit keyboard that was sent to me to do some product information on as a sample. And just a couple of quick things about this. One, I really like that it has the rubber pieces on the bottom here, so it makes it really nice when you sit it down in front of you to use it. As you're typing, it doesn't have a lot of slide. It will some, but it has nice grip to it. I like the angle as you're typing. It makes it really nice. The keys are buttery soft and makes it really nice that if you're typing, really smooth. I like the colors on it, the two-tone. It's got a nice little spot in the back to keep your USB so you don't lose it. These put up nicely, so if you want to use it flat. It is a little heavy for a keyboard, however, being wireless and Bluetooth, it is definitely something that you can use, absolutely. As you can see here, right now it is flashing, it is blue lit on the background. I really love the color of it. Overall, a great product.